Hi there. I just recently decided to set up my own business. I've been working for many years for big companies, and I thought it's finally time to do my proper business. So the first thing I needed was a logo to represent my company. And on the web, by searching a bit, I found Rimon. And the collaboration with Rimon is really nice because he's fast, he's precise, and he perfectly understands what you write him. And amazingly, he responds really by the second. Every time I wrote an email, I got an answer immediately. And this is really special because I'm here in Europe and Rimon is in Asia. So I'm not sure that Rimon really sleeps, but obviously he's always there working. So he has a very good and fast method with coming up with some, let's say, ideas, which he then sends you to review by email. You give your first comment, he elaborates further, and by this ping-pong method, let's say, bouncing back and forth ideas, you come to one or two logo ideas, which he then, once you decided which one you want, he further elaborates, perfections, and then you get the final file set. In my case, I got Illustrator, document, a JPEG, and a PNG. And I really loved the process because it was fast, he was precise, pixel perfect, really nice logo, and obviously he's a very creative guy and he has a very good process for handling customers. So for your next logo project, I really recommend Rimon because you will never get in trouble and he's worth every penny. So Rimon, you're the best.